appreciate the muscles. When you see humerus bone, you should think of the back. We have teres minor, tunakuwa na infraspinatus, acromion. At the acromion side we have infraspinatus joining the teres minor at the posterior, at the superior side. Then from the acromion laterally we have supraspinatus going under the acromion, attaching to the humerus bone. Then tuko na subscapularis yenye ina attach on the medial side to the biceps tendon long head.